Have you ever wondered where everything came from, why there is something instead of nothing? These are questions that have sparked curiosity and debate since the dawn of human consciousness. The mystery of existence, the origin of all that is, has been a perennial puzzle, tickling the minds of philosophers, scientists, and thinkers alike for centuries. From the vast cosmos that stretches beyond our grasp, to the minute particles that make up the fabric of our reality, each element of our universe begs the question, where did it all begin? What cosmic event, or chain of events, led to the creation of everything we see, feel, and experience? This question, seemingly simple yet profoundly complex, has led to some of the most groundbreaking discoveries in the realm of science and philosophy. So, strap in and open your minds as we embark on a journey towards the beginning of time itself. Imagine the universe not as we know it now but as a tiny, infinitely dense point. This point, or singularity as it's known, is the heart of the Big Bang Theory, the prevailing cosmological model that describes the birth of our universe. In the beginning, according to the Big Bang Theory, there was no space, no time, no matter, no energy, just this singularity. It's a concept that might seem mind-boggling, but bear with me. This singularity, smaller than a subatomic particle, was the entirety of the universe, and it was hot, incredibly hot, and dense beyond comprehension. Then, in less than a blink of an eye, something extraordinary happened. There was an explosion, a vast, unimaginable outpouring of energy. This was not an explosion of matter into space, but rather an explosion of space itself. This singularity began to expand, and as it did, it cooled. And as it cooled, it began to form the fundamental building blocks of the universe. The creation of matter and energy was not an instant process, it took time. As the universe continued to cool and expand, particles began to form. Quarks, the smallest particles we know of, came together to form protons and neutrons. These protons and neutrons, in turn, came together to form atomic nuclei. And around these nuclei, electrons began to orbit, forming the first atoms. And so, the universe as we know it began to take shape. From the singularity's explosion, an entire universe was born. An array of galaxies, stars, and planets, including our own, came into existence. A cosmic dance of creation, set in motion by the Big Bang, unfolding over billions of years, and just like that, our universe was born. So the universe is expanding, but what happens next? Well, let's take a cosmic journey. Picture the universe, a mere few 100,000 years after the Big Bang. It's a hot, dense soup of particles, primarily hydrogen and helium, swirling around in the vast expanse of space. As the universe continues to expand, it cools, and these particles start to come together, forming the first atoms. The universe is now a place of darkness. But don't be disheartened, for it is in this darkness that the stage is set for the birth of the first galaxies, stars, and planets. Gravity, the great cosmic sculptor, begins its work. It pulls these atoms into dense pockets, and within these pockets stars start to form. These stars are not just celestial bodies illuminating the cosmic theater, they are the universe's very own element factories. Within their fiery hearts, hydrogen and helium fuse to form heavier elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron. When these stars reach the end of their lives, they explode in spectacular supernovae, scattering these elements across the universe. These elements, the very building blocks of life as we know it, gather once again under the influence of gravity. They form clouds of gas and dust which eventually collapse under their own weight to birth new stars and planets. And so, the cycle continues. What we're witnessing here, in this cosmic dance of creation and destruction, is the universe taking shape. From the galaxies that cluster together in intricate cosmic webs, to the stars that light up the night sky, to the planets that orbit those stars, each is a testament to the universe's evolution from a hot, dense state to a cosmos teeming with structure and complexity. From a simple soup of particles, the universe has transformed into a vast cosmic canvas painted with galaxies, stars, and planets. All the while it continues to expand, to cool, and to create. From a point of infinite density to a vast expanding cosmos, the stage was set. And it's on this stage that the next act of our cosmic story unfolds, the birth of life. Now let's shift our focus to a tiny blue dot in one corner of this universe, Earth. Imagine a world, billions of years ago, barren and devoid of life. The atmosphere, a volatile mix of gases, the surface, a scalding pot of water and minerals, the perfect ingredients for a primordial soup. This soup, stirred by the forces of nature, gave rise to the first living cells, fragile yet tenacious, simple yet extraordinary. These cells were the genesis of life as we know it, the first brush strokes on the canvas of existence. But how did we go from these simple cells to the intricate web of life that covers our planet today? The answer lies in a process as old as life itself: evolution. Evolution is not a guided journey towards a predetermined destination. It's a dance, choreographed by the forces of nature, written in the language of genes. As these first cells multiplied and diversified, they began to change. Each generation, subtly different from the last, carried the echoes of their ancestors, yet held the promise of something new. This is the essence of natural selection, a process of trial and error on a grand scale. Those who were better suited to their environment survived, thrived, and passed on their traits to the next generation. This is the survival of the fittest in its purest form. Over millions of years, this unending cycle of birth, adaptation, and death gave rise to a dazzling array of life forms. From the smallest microbe to the largest whale, from the humblest blade of grass to the tallest tree, every living thing is a testament to the power of evolution. So, as we stand on this tiny blue dot, amidst the vastness of the cosmos, let us marvel at the journey of life. From its humble beginnings in a primordial soup to the chorus of existence that fills our world today. Every species, every individual, a unique verse in the grand symphony of life. From single-celled organisms to the vast array of life we see today, evolution sculpted the world of the living. So, we've journeyed from the birth of the universe to the evolution of life on Earth, but what does it all mean? Our quest for understanding has led us through the mists of time, back to the very moment of creation. The Big Bang Theory, a cornerstone of cosmology, paints a picture of a universe born from a singularity, a point of infinite density and heat. This colossal explosion, occurring around 13.8 billion years ago, set the stage for the formation of galaxies, stars, and eventually planets like our own. From this chaotic beginning, order gradually emerged. Clouds of gas and dust collapsed under their own gravity, forming stars. Around these stars, particles of dust and ice came together, creating planets. It's a cosmic recipe that has been repeated countless times across the vast expanse of the universe. But what about life? How did we, complex and conscious beings, come to be? This is where the theory of evolution enters the stage. Life, according to Darwin, started simple, likely as single-celled organisms in the primordial soup of early Earth. Over billions of years, through a process of natural selection, life diversified and complexified, leading to the incredible array of species we see today, including us, humans. This understanding is more than just scientific. It's a profound realization of our place in the universe. We are not separate from the cosmos, but an integral part of it. Every atom in our bodies was once inside a star. We are, in essence, made of stardust, a testament to a cosmic journey spanning billions of years. In the grand scheme of things, we are but a fleeting moment in cosmic history. Yet we are the universe observing itself, striving to understand its own origins. This is our story, a tale of stardust and evolution, of chaos and order, of birth and death. It's a narrative that continues to unfold, with new chapters waiting to be written by the relentless march of time and our ceaseless pursuit of knowledge. We are, in essence, made of stardust, a testament to a cosmic journey spanning billions of years. While we've come a long way in understanding our origins, the quest is far from over. We've journeyed from the birth of the cosmos, through the formation of galaxies, the birth of stars and planets, all the way to the dawn of life. Yet the labyrinth of existence is far from fully explored. There remain countless mysteries to solve, questions to answer. Why is there something instead of nothing? How did the laws of physics come to be? What sparked the first flicker of life? These are questions that continue to puzzle even the greatest minds. So, let's keep exploring, keep learning, keep questioning. It's through this relentless pursuit of knowledge that we'll inch closer to the answers. And even if we never find them all, the journey itself is the reward. The universe is a grand, unfolding story, and we're all part of it. Remember, every question you ask is a step towards unraveling the cosmic mystery that is our existence.